Hello everyone. Today we will be creating this amazing blob animation using HTML and CSS. Without further ado, let's start. First of all, I have made two files on PowerShell. I have an image, all of backup. So you can take any picture. First we are going to do a shift. This. First we are going to link out here. Link the CSS. We are going to do this blob. And what we are going to do here, we are going to make a new class. New blob. Now our new class ID. UI. The ID is equal to container. Then container. I'm going to close it, and in between that we are going to add our image. Source. Now my image source is this. And see, my image pops up the right side of our. Now we are going to have an alt and there should be a class. Class is going to be a profile. Now we are going to close it. Yes. So this is it for our HTML. Now we are going to code our CSS, guys. We are going to have a asterisk and margin. Margin is going to be 0 pixels. Padding is going to be 0 pixels as well. And we are going to have a box sizing of border box. This is for our asterisk selector. Now we are going to have our body. Body. Now we are going to have a width 100%. We are going to have a height of 104 height. This is going to be report width, not report height. Nice. Now we are going to enter. Now we are going to have overflow. Overflow is going to be hidden. We are going to have a display. My display is going to be flex. Now we are going to have a align item. Align items is going to be center. Justify content is going to be center as well. So, and this is it for our body area. Now you can see our image which was not aligned to center. Now it's perfectly aligned. We're going to enter and we are going to make our hash container. And we are going to give the width of 40 Vmax. Enter, and we are going to have a aspect ratio going to be 2:3, and we are have position, going to be relative. We are going to have a display, it's going to be flex. Enter, we are going to have a align item. Align items, going to be enter. And we are going to have a justify that too. And overflow, it would be and we're going to have a profile selector. Profile selector, now we are going to have a height of 60%. Enter, we are going to have a aspect ratio, it's going to be 1. And we are going to have an object, it's going to be power. Enter, we are going to have a object position. Object position. Object position is going to be center. So, this is for the profile selector. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to enter it. And we are going to code our container hash our container, and I want to do 2 components of our scope. And we're going to have a selector and going to have a content going to be none. And we are going to have a position of absolute. And we are going to have an insert of 0. And we are going to have our background alright, and we are going to have a scale. Scale here. Okay guys, now what we like for this URL I am going to do not done, but before we are going to do a scale of 1.4 and enter. After we enter guys, we are going to add the background size, of our. Now background size of our. Enter. I want to have a background position. And it's going to be 10. can see our blob image is done. Blob is done. But we still need to make our animation for the blob. For that, what we will do, we will have a V. The index is going to be N. And then on our mix blend mode, it's going to be like you can see my image is there. So now we are going to display, and we are going to have an animation. Animation is going to be blob. Blob update. Blob update. Center and we would have a linear. Linear. We would have a incline forward. So this is it for blob animation. Let's not done. So we have a just last one. And we would have a keyframe. Keyframe is going to be blob rotate. Blob rotate. Blob rotate. Blob rotate. I want to use space. We are going to make a 0% and another value. Then it's going to be 4 into rotate 0 6. Okay. So we are going to have it with this. Enter. And we are going to have it. Empty, but it's going to be 100. And we are going to have a rotate of 260. Now as you can see our blob is complete. It's good. Now go to our browser. We will see the final of our output. Nice, right? So guys, if you want to see more of this video, please drop a like.